So,
Hi, ako si Precious Gift ba? Yung Political Science Department Representative. I'm a second year BA Political Science student and I'm running under Saligan sa CSSP.
so good afternoon, Mr. Baroy. Your first question is, do you see any changes in the UP demographic due to TOEFL? And what can you say about it?
Well, I believe that there are some changes in the demography of the students here in UP because of TOEFL. For one, we can see that for a fact that the number of enrollees or of the number of students who enroll in the university has lessened since the TOEFL was implemented last year. And we can see some trend that, especially in or in social sciences, less and less students apply or choose social sciences subjects because these subjects are not practical, because they'd rather choose engineering courses or science courses which are more employable since for them it's an easier way since it's an easier way for them because when they take these courses, they can easily be employed, and so when their expenses for education are easily compensated, or that's
So, thank you. Your second question is the Israeli invasion of Gaza Strip justifiable for you? Why or why not?
Well, I believe that I cannot judge actually if it's justifiable or if it's not justifiable. Primarily because I am not well versed with this kind of with the historical and some of the social context behind this conflict. But what I can say is that I believe that if there would be a war, the civilians who are involved in this should not be involved in this war because they cannot defend themselves, and they cannot fight, or because their human rights are already violated. Most of Gaza's population are not anymore given enough food supply or humanitarian help because of what the Israeli and the Gaza government have been doing.
Okay, last question. Naiyak ka ba sa bagong commercial ng McDonald's? Ano ba yung naalala mo pag nakikita mo yan?
Well, hindi ako naiyak. Hindi naman siya nakakaiyak. Well, natuwa lang ako kasi laking McDonald's din ako. Although laking McDonald's ako, pero well, kasi doon sa advertisement na yun, napapakita yung it was a very creative advertisement, and that's exactly what I want for Pulsci. I want the students I want Pulsci students to exemplify their creativity. Kaya isa sa aking mga proyekto ay yung pagsulong sa mga performing arts club na maaaring na yung Pulsci siya, exclusive for Pulsci, exclusive for Pulsci students, as initiated ng mga Pulsci malamang. Pero kaya para rin siya makabuo ng isang sense of community sa Pulsci. Kasi 'di ba, yung parang yung sa advertisement, it parang nag-a-appeal siya to emotion, and nag-a-appeal siya sa emotion. Kaya pero hindi naman ako naiyak.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Ako si Riz Lorenzo, ang yung Philosophy Department Representative, second year BA Philosophy major.
Okay, yung unang tanong niyo po ay, do you see any change in the demography of UP students due to the tuition and other fee increase? What can you say about the issue?
When you say demography, what do you mean?
The composition of the UP student.
As a whole?
Yes. You could base it on like economic class, social class.
Based on economic class, most of philosophy students today are now that rich or well off, and that most of students are most of those students who are less fortunate cannot afford to enter here in our university, although they are able and they are capable.
Okay. Your second question. Is the Israeli invasion of the Gaza Strip justifiable? Why or why not?
I don't have any definite information about that, but for me, the involvement of Filipino soldiers there, they are sent by the government to be there, right? The military. So it's just that I don't want Filipinos, military, there to be involved. But the Gaza thing.
Alright, okay. Your last question. Naiyak ka ba nung nakita mo yung bagong advertisement ng McDonald's? Ano yung naalala mo pag nakikita mo ito? Yun yung huling El Bimbo na advertisement.
Well, hindi nun ako naiyak. Kasi commercial siya. Pero kung bibigyan natin siya ng value, which is emotional nga naman yun. Pero as a person, hindi ka naman talaga hindi naman kunwari nagkagusto kayo nung bata kayo, hindi ibig sabihin nun magiging kayo na.